In today's video, we will talk about adding. Adding is an interesting procedure in math. We take two things and add them up. Let's start by adding two folders. So 1 and 1 makes 2. In the same way, let's try adding clocks. Here again 1 and 1 makes 2. Why not try adding more than two things? Here we will add 2 and 2. So, first we will sketch two lines against each thing and then add them up. We already have learned counting, so it is very easy for us to count these lines.